Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm making a delicious chicken and rice dish. I'm making arroz con pollo a la Chorrera. This is sort of a soupy version of arroz con pollo, Cuban style. I'm using sweet peas, onions, garlic, sofrito, olives, green peppers, red peppers, 1 tomato, and tomato paste. I'm also using some white cooking wine. You can use whatever kind of wine you have. I'm also using some beer that I have in the house, and you can use any kind of beer that you have. It doesn't matter. And for the dry ingredients, I'm using garlic, onion powder, sazon, oregano, cumin, salt and pepper, 1 pack of chicken broth, 1 bouillon cube, and 2 bay leaves. This is a list of ingredients that I'm using to make the arroz con pollo. So feel free to stop the video to write down the ingredients. So now I have some oil, olive oil heating up in a pan, and I'm going to start making my sofrito, which are basically the onions, the garlic, and the peppers. I'm also adding some ajicitos and some parsley. Now I'm just going to let the peppers and the onions and garlic cook down till all the vegetables are soft, and then I'm going to add the tomato paste to it. Now I'm adding the tomato paste and minced garlic to the pot. I also forgot to mention that I added 1 tablespoon of homemade sofrito. Next, I'm adding 1 chicken bouillon cube. I also have chicken broth, but I'm going to hold that toward the end because I may not need to add that. Next, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves and the rest of the dry ingredients. Now I'm adding the olives, and I'm going to also add the chicken. Now with the chicken, the best way to do it is to brown the chicken because it gives it more flavor. Tonight, I'm not browning it. I'm just going to add the chicken, and I'm going to mix the sofrito with the chicken. Arroz con pollo is one of my most favorite dishes to make, and the reason why I love it so much is because, number 1, it's a one-pot meal. Number 2, all the flavors marry together. And number 3, it's so easy to make. What makes this dish so delicious besides the sofrito is the beer and the wine. Now, you can make arroz con pollo with just chicken broth, and it's just arroz con pollo, okay? But when you add beer and wine to it, that gives this arroz con pollo an extra step up. So now basically what I'm doing is sort of cooking the chicken in the sofrito because I didn't brown it earlier. So I'm just making sure that I coat the chicken thoroughly with the sofrito so that it absorbs all the flavor. Now it's time to add the beer and the wine. Now it's better to use regular drinking wine because cooking wine has too much salt in it. So if I had it tonight, I would use it, but I don't have it tonight, so I'm using cooking wine. I almost forgot to add the tomato, so now I'm adding the tomato. Sorry guys. So I'm going to add the tomato, and I'm going to cook the chicken for 1.5 hours, and if it's tender enough, then I'm going to add the rice to it and cook the chicken for 20 to 25 more minutes. And everything should be done by that time. So in all, about 2 hours. It's been 1.5 hours, so now I'm adding the rice to the chicken. At this point, you want to cover your pot for 20 minutes and do not peek. Keep the pot covered for 20 minutes so that the rice could cook completely. And when it's done, you want to add your sweet peas for garnish. So it's been 20 minutes, and now I'm going to plate this. But look how delicious this is. My dinner is served, and it looks absolutely amazing. I wish you guys could smell it. This smells incredible. Well, guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.